Okay, so you just got this weird looking keychain and you're trying to figure out what the heck it is. So, of course, defense and heels. We're going to have something self-defense related. So, with this keychain, first thing I want you to do is, of course, put it on your keys. So, add it to your key ring there so it is attached. If you have a Kubotan, make sure you add that as well. If you don't, link below. I love using this with my Kubotan because it gives it extra strength. So, you would hold it like this, and then as you're coming around, if the bad guy's attacking you, you hit him in the face with it. Now, let's say you don't have the coupon. It's totally okay. Don't stress and think, oh, Nikes, now I got to go buy something. No, you don't need to at all. So just hold your keys how you would normally hold your keys. We want this out. The reason being is it's by your side, ready to go at all times. Statistically speaking, you'll be on the ground in less than 4 seconds. So you want whatever you're carrying in your hands ready to go. Don't dig for your keys once you get to the car. Have the keys in your hands as you're leaving the grocery store, mall, whatever you're doing that day. So it's in your hands. I'm right-handed, so it's on my right-hand side right now. And then the bad guy, if you need to use it, still that striking motion, and you can hit him with it. Anywhere you hit him with will do a little bit of extra damage, just a little extra added emphasis to using your keys if you need to. Again, if you had the Kubotan, you could use it so that the keys also strike with it, but it's not necessary. It's just an extra added tool. Have lots of fun with it. Enjoy it. It is cute and fun and on your keychain. And our fingers crossed that you never actually have to use it. But if you do, just remember it is a striking tool. So you want to hit with it so it does more damage and doesn't cause you any pain. It's not extra oomph that you have to put into it. It's just a striking tool. Enjoy.